In the animal world, we can witness many examples of teamwork. It looks wonderful to see the royal movement of a leopard or a cheetah. We feel very excited when we see a leopard in action to hunt its prey. But the surprising fact is, its kill rate per chase is only 38%. And if we talk about cheetah, the fastest animal of the world, its success rate is 58%, still not the highest of the world. The reason possibly is they hunt alone. But now consider this one. See these African wild dogs. They are smaller in size and also less faster than leopard or cheetah. But still, they kill their prey with a strategic teamwork. And their success rate will surprise us. And it is 85%, or sometimes even more. Now, let's move to the human world. Have you ever noticed deeply the performance of a successful football team? While watching their performance, we mostly notice the performance of all the departments of the team. From forward line to defense line, if every department plays unitedly as a team, that crafts the fate of that team. You and I may achieve some certain heights in our life that may satisfy our personal need, but probably that limits our huge potential. Now let's focus on the teamwork. When people of different qualities join hands to form a group, that group becomes a team, and that team gets ready to achieve a purpose. The first team of our life is our family. And if each member of the family does his duty sincerely, that family receives the dividend of happiness. Let's see the basics of the teamwork. There are three important basics of the teamwork. Here they are. The first one is planning. Planning is the first step to achieve any purpose. Planning generates hope. When all the members of the team sits together and make a blueprint to achieve a target or a mission, it seems easier to achieve them. It injects confidence in the mind of each member of the team, and they begin to believe the mission is very much achievable. A true plan helps the work. Through planning, people can visualize their goal. They feel excitement about it, and then it becomes much easier to pay the price. And your prize is doing the hard work. So planning is the very much needed step in teamwork. Here's the second one. Harmony. When the plan is ready, now it's the time to put action into it. Everyone in the team has to contribute, not separately, but harmoniously. If we visit a car manufacturing unit, we can see how all the subunits are working differently for a common purpose of giving an attractive shape to a car. Moreover, they want to give the user the feeling of proud and comfortable. When all the members of the team work unitedly with harmony, the work becomes an art, and the creation becomes priceless. Here's the third one. Team spirit. When people of different mindsets meet in a team, there is every possibility that they may differ in many matters. It's a challenge for a team to develop a true and positive team spirit in the team. Let's make a trust-building environment in the team. The leader or the captain must initiate to develop this culture in the team, valuing each other's opinion, helping each other to achieve a common goal. generating motivation in the group can increase the team's performance. While working in a team, one must remember that everyone involved in the team is different mentally, psychologically, and emotionally. And the key is to value these differences, because all the people see the world not as it is, but as they are. All the independent people meet in a team and work interdependently, and their creation is known as synergy. It means the whole is greater than the sum of its parts, and it is miraculous. All the biggest achievements of the world came through teamwork, like Microsoft company, like Reliance Group, like Tata Groups, like Ford company, and there are many examples in the world. So, if you're determined to do something bigger and greater, think about teamwork. It really works. If you like this video, please share it, and please subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. I'll be back very soon with some other important videos. Till then, goodbye and stay happy.